Guys, welcome back to the channel, and this is day 3 of the grounding rod installation. And as you can see, guys, it's in the ground. It's 8 feet in the ground. Now we connected the copper clamp to the copper solid line all the way through, and then we ran it underneath the steps all the way through like that, underneath, boom boom. And then it comes out here, and then it connects to this green wire, which is gonna be connected inside to the lining arrestor. See, there you have it. Nice and clean installation. I might pour electrical tape on here, I don't know, thinking about it. But yeah, so that's the ground to the lining arrestor. So this is the connection from the inside, and then I have to connect it right over here to the lining arrestor, and that's the amplifier, and that's the filter. This will boost your signal and get you more witnesses. But yeah, like and subscribe. Rozzy Grow. Stay tuned for more alien mining tips.